Today, let's take a look at the production process of caviar. First, we raise our sturgeon from the size of small tadpoles to a weight of 1 or 200 pounds. This process takes about 10 to 15 years. Sturgeon have high water quality requirements, so we use a filtration system to remove impurities from the water, ensuring the water's vitality and oxygen supply. This way, our baby sturgeons can grow up healthy. When the female sturgeons mature, we induce deep hibernation with low temperatures. While they are in a deep sleep, we extract the eggs. These fresh sturgeon eggs are the raw material for making caviar. Workers gently rub the eggs on a sieve to separate the sturgeon roe. The roe is then rinsed with clean water to remove any impurities and washed a few times with brine. After draining the water on a fine stainless steel sieve, workers with keen eyesight, usually young men from the 90s, use tweezers to pick out the bad eggs from the roe, ensuring the caviar's taste and quality. Once the sturgeon roe is processed, it's salted and mixed evenly with the seasoning. It's then sealed tightly with plastic wrap. After curing, it's canned according to different sizes, sealed, and then ready for sale.